Oh, that one? Oh, I'm scared. Hey.
Should we do it again? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm joined with one of my closest friends. I think our friendship dates back
A long time.
like early 2010.
Yeah.
So it has been many years. Aryan and I think are very creative people together. So I thought कि अगर आज drop की drinks try करनी थी, who better to bring? Who's a drop virgin?
Yeah, boy. Wrong word.
We're gonna pop the caffeine cherry.
Excited. Can't wait.
Excited. So we have a couple of drinks. Aryan and I are gonna be trying 3 drinks each. And we're super excited and let's get it started. Aryan has never tried drop. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Yeah.
And let's.
The drinks sound so cool, like maple, matcha, there's so much happening. So we made our own system and we're gonna rank these drinks. Okay guys, we're gonna try 3 drinks each. Aryan's gonna have 3, I'm gonna have 3, and we've chosen our 3 drinks, but 4th is a mystery drink which we're gonna rank. And let's see if we like these koji drinks. Okay, so we're gonna try our drinks now, guys. And describe them one word. Cheers.
Cheers.
That's
my
actually
God.
really good. Mmm.
Oh, this is down.
This tastes like a gingerbread house.
Yeah, no, me
For
also.
me, I'm getting like the really nice taste of pistachio because this is Dubai chocolate. But the consistency, and it's not too sweet. It's not too sweet. How's yours?
Mine's like so good. It's like maple. It's getting Christmas and fall
Christmas.
and
Guys, so these drinks are festive approved. This is,
so festive.
no, like, I'm like for real, like this is really
No, this is really good.
You want to try this?
Yeah.
So I'll try this now. Wait, is that really
Good. Okay.
Guys, no, actually.
No excess. It's really
Like,
good.
okay. So, on a cozy ranking, what would you give this? 1 means warm, 2 means toasty, 3 is snuggy, 4 is comfy, and 5 is ultra cozy.
I would say it's like a easy 4.5.
It's a 4.5. Okay, guys, so my one word for my drink, the one word for the drink for me is gingerbread. I don't know, there's something about the pistachio, the chocolate coming together that's reminding me of a gingerbread house, and it tastes so festive in my mouth. Like, very festive. What's your one word?
Can I say yum? Because it's
Yeah,
so
say yum. His word is yum, my word is gingerbread. And my sentence to describe this, मेरी sentence क्या होगी? What's your sentence to describe this? I can see myself having this even in the summers because it's a drink that really refreshes me. Like
Yeah.
pistachio just really matches well with chocolate.
It's like mine has a bit of a caramel.
And I like that yours also has bitter note.
Yeah.
Like it's not too sweet. For me, this drink is a solid 4. This
Yeah.
is a comfy.
I would say 4 points.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go for the next drink. Wait, this is so pretty.
I don't even know what an espresso tonic means.
I think
But I'm very
espresso
excited.
tonic reminds me if sharab was in a drink and if there was, I don't know, espresso tonic reminds you of a,
That's like an espresso
Martini.
Martini.
I don't even drink, but I'm just saying. It just reminds. Guys, drink number 2. True. Drink number 2.
Drink number 2.
I have a strawberry matcha, which I need to first mix.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh.
I like. It's a bit like I can taste the strawberry actual preserve in this. Like it's not like a fake strawberry syrup
This is like it's like fizzy. It's like
because it's a bubbly tonic.
But it's
Tonic
like
water.
really good. It's like a coffee fizzy drink.
And
Love it.
No, try the matcha.
Yeah, get
The matcha tastes like it has strawberry boba. And my introduction to boba was actually Aryan.
this is really good.
You like matcha? We've converted him to a matcha lover.
Wait, what the hell? This is so good.
The thing is, guys, doesn't this taste like the strawberry boba we used to have?
Yeah.
In boba when we used to drink, I was introduced to.
Wait, hold up.
This is really good.
That's really good.
It's really good.
It's like
One word one word for the matcha is refreshing. The matcha like wakes me up, and I like that matcha doesn't give you the same hit as caffeine. I know बहुत लोगों को anxiety हो जाती है coffee की वजह से, so matcha is a great alternative. And I love that our local coffee joint, especially like Drop, is incorporating such fun drinks because I can't have an iced latte every day, guys. I want some flavor in my life, some milk, some masala. So thank you, Drop. Okay, refreshing. What's your word?
Bubbly.
Bubbly.
Like
Bubbly girl.
Bubbly girl.
it's like
And the one short sentence, this reminds me of if I'm working really long, मैं बहुत लंबा shoot कर रही हूँ, अगर मुझे थोड़ा सा wake up call चाहिए, this is what I'll have. So this is my sentence. What's your little sentence?
wow.
Wow.
My
What a wow.
little sentence is, if I like really need to wake up instantly in the morning, I would order this.
You're such a
Because it's
copy.
like
We're saying the same thing.
No, he said shoot ke baad raat ko, like you need this for a pick me up. I need this instantly in the morning.
Acha,
Like
okay.
it's like a
It's a hit.
instant caffeine
It's a hit.
rush.
Okay.
Try that.
Okay, cozy meter. For me, on a cozy meter beverage, this is a cozy beverage. I'd say I'd give this like a 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's like a.
I'll give it a snuggly.
I'll give it a 3 also.
Yeah. Okay, fair.
I said 3 pence.
So this is 3. Okay guys, now we have our hot beverages. I have my pistachio latte because मुझे पहली drink अपनी दुबई choco वाली frappuccino इतनी पसंद आई. I knew pistachio was going to be great. Aryan also has
And a very interesting drink. This is the Orange Intenso hot chocolate.
hot chocolate तो सब करते, but orange intenso hot chocolate, we're taking it on like a Lindt chocolate level.
Yeah.
So I have high expectations from my drink. Okay, cheers.
Cheers. Soft cheer. It's literally exactly what the name says it's going to be.
This is so...
It's an orange intenso hot and chocolate.
This is so
So
good. This is a 5 out of 5 on the cozy meter. I'm not joking. Try
it's
this
very
cozy.
cozy.
Try this cozy. It's like a warm hug. It's like Netflix and chill halal version of this.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
It's really good. It has like a vanilla type of.
It's
This is reminding
so
me
good.
of like, what was that orange chocolate that you used to get?
Lindt?
Lindt only, yeah.
Orange.
It's
That's why I
that
put Lindt
type.
infused. Maybe they're using Lindt chocolate.
Try.
Good. Okay. I love hot chocolates. And guys,
It's like a hot, it's like really good hot chocolate. Try. It's good, no?
so good.
I think this is also a 5 on 5.
This, you know what this tastes like? It's chocolate.
Yeah,
like
it tastes exactly
Plain
like
chocolate, you melted it. I say my one word for this drink, the pistachio latte for me is, I'll be basic, but I'll say my favorite. Favorite is my word. Festive favorite, amazing. I can see myself ordering this at home, which is my biggest thing because जब मैं coffee घर पे मंगवाती हूँ, I have a couple of little things I like to look at, delivery time and like warmth and all. Because coffee जब घर पे ठंडी आती है, nobody likes it. Luckily, Drop has so many branches in Karachi that you guys can try these beverages at so many of their branches, whether you're in Clifton, whether you're at Z House Clifton, whether you're in Phase 8, whether you're in Sindhi Muslim, you can try Drop everywhere. You can try Drop everywhere. What's your one word?
everybody.
I can't stop thinking.
I would say this is like a post-dinner, like, you know, when you've gone out, you had your thing, then you come home and after a walk, you sit.
Okay, so guys,
you make
for
like-
all of you those don't know, Aryan was just in the UK. He was studying there.
Yeah.
Why were you so shocked?
It's like, what is she going to say? Yes.
His look was like उसकी पूरी जिंदगी की किस्से खोलने वाली थी. No, he was just in the UK. So when he describes something with like going for a walk, I feel like with the London weather, you would love a drink.
Oh yeah, this would be perfect.
But with Karachi winter and festive weather, जो अभी तक चल रहा है,
This would
I
actually
love
clap in a Karachi winter. Like,
Like,
it
I
also
would
is
have
like,
this tonight.
you know, bonfire pe baith ke around say just sitting and chilling,
Right.
drinking hot chocolate. Love it.
We have one more drink for me, nahi?
This is the surprise.
Oh,
Ooh.
lovely. He just told us to drink though. That was the whole point.
अच्छा guys, spoiler alert, accidentally हमें पता चल गया ये drink क्या है. This is a PSL Prague. Okay, I can't lie, मेरा reaction बड़ा fake होता है. Wow, Aryan.
Yeah, no, I love a PSL. So,
We'll be basic. The surprise is we can eat the PSL first. PSL हम खा रहे हैं. कौन सी team?
Heart. Okay.
Cheers.
Okay, that's
I can't have so much cream, yaar.
a little bit.
ये नहीं मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा सा मैं लूंगी.
Oh yeah. Yeah. It's like cinnamon delight.
That's like a marshmallow.
Yeah.
Like
Oh.
Feisties.
Oh. So good.
Oh God, it's so good.
So good.
He's like going his soul is leaving his body.
This is really good.
अच्छा, I'm not the biggest spicy person. Like मुझे वो
I'll have
cinnamon का नहीं. अच्छा, हाँ, I mean मुझे भी पसंद आया. It's nice. It's not my favorite, but it's really nice.
I love it.
It tastes like cinnamon toast crunch cereal
Yes.
with milk.
Yes.
Cinnamon toast
Exactly
crunch.
like that. This, they used to have this drink even in London, like a lot of coffee shops, but honestly, I think this one beats.
I like the sweetness. Okay, cozy scale, 1 to 5.
Like a 5. It's like a warm Christmas
For
hug.
me, I would give this a 3.5. So this is like not the ultra coziest for me, but it's sure up there.
Yeah,
So one word for me of this drink is spicy, because you need a little spice in life.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
You can't be so sweet all the time.
Yeah, agreed.
थोड़ा मसाला जरूरी होता है.
Yeah. This for me would be like peak December, like
Peak
Christmas vibe.
Everything is Christmas, Aryan. You know, every drink is Christmas.
festive. This whole thing
Okay,
is so
festive. I would say, for me, this drink is spicy. I can have it in the summers also because frappe hai. But if you want it warm, you can always have it in the winter. My favorite drink is the first one I had though. The Dubai Choco Frappe is my winner. Like I ranked that number 1. Pistachio Latte number 2. And
Matcha.
matcha number 3. And this number 4.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mine would be, I think this would be number 1.
Okay. Wow.
Maple latte would be number 2.
Okay.
The tonic would be 3. And the orange would be 4.
Okay. I feel like we have a good mix. So if you guys are looking to try all these fun and festive drinks, come to Drop and try them out. Thank you, Drop, for having us.
Highly recommended.
Highly recommend this. And guys, we have a little giveaway. So giveaway details will be in the caption. You and your friend can win some fun, exciting gifts from Drop or possibly coffee for 1 month. So giveaway in the caption. Okay guys, so if you like this video and if you want to see more videos come on my YouTube, please like, share, subscribe, share this everywhere. And yeah, if you guys want to see Aryan more on the channel, comment down below. And comment below if you want to win this giveaway because it's happening on all my social medias. So TikTok, Instagram and YouTube, you guys can participate and get some free coffee gifts from Drop. Bye!